Unlocking language. Mastering superlative adverbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's lesson, we'll be diving deep into the world of adverbs, specifically focusing on superlative adverbs. As always, we'll go step by step, ensuring that by the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident in your understanding and use of superlative adverbs. Let's get started. Before we start forming superlative adverbs, let's quickly revisit what they are. Superlative adverbs are used to describe the highest degree of something within a group or a comparison. They usually modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, and often end in est, or are preceded by most. Examples: she runs the fastest in our class. He works the most diligently of all the employees. To form the superlative degree of regular adverbs, we often add the suffix est to the end of the adverb, similar to how we form superlative adjectives. However, this is mostly applicable for adverbs that do not end in -ly. For instance, fast becomes fastest, soon becomes soonest. But not all adverbs follow this rule. For most adverbs ending in -ly, we don't use est. Instead, we use the word most before the adverb to show the superlative degree. For example, happily becomes most happily, easily becomes most easily. Note that some adverbs have irregular superlative forms. For example, well becomes best, badly becomes worst. It's not enough just to know how to form these superlative adverbs. We need to use them correctly too. The superlative adverb is generally used with the and is followed by of, in, plus the group you are comparing. For instance, she sings the most beautifully of all the singers. He runs the fastest in the entire school. And that wraps up our lesson on forming and using superlative adverbs. We've explored how to form regular and irregular superlative adverbs, and how to properly use them in sentences. With this knowledge in your language toolbox, you're well on your way to more dynamic and descriptive English. Remember, practice is key, so try to incorporate these into your conversations and writing. We hope this lesson has been helpful to you. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.